walking on the street beneath the beautiful premises of beautiful trees and along with the cool weather feeling, and it's in the verge of getting dark in the evening time. It seems like winter will come very soon, and I need to walk fast to reach my residence to get from cold, so I need to keep myself warm in this cold and cool weather. But the environment is fantastic and incredibly amazing to walk over in the beautiful streets and beautiful premises which are well equipped with trees, plants, and beautiful streets and beautiful houses.